Hello YouTube, I'm back cooking on the river. Hot dogs, cast iron skillet, large cast iron on Coleman stove. Got some chili there, got some Spam, got some eggs in the cooler, got some bread, coffee creamer for in the morning in the spot. Frying some hot dogs. Frying some hot dogs. Frying them in butter. Coleman stove, fried hot dogs on the river. Camping here in my van, got my fishing poles, got my tackle box. Camping in my van. Got my bed in there. Did a sloppy tent job on my windows to keep the sun out. Got my commode seat on a 5-gallon bucket with bags I tie up when I'm done. Got my cooler. Food and drinks, eggs, Spam, hot dogs, chili, battery for auxiliary power. Running my phone charger, USBs off that battery. CB radio, two handheld ham radios. CB, everything running off the auxiliary battery, the deep cycle boat battery off my boat on the river. Got my table set up, cast iron cooking. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be sleeping here tonight in this van. Got some LED flashlights strung up in there for light. Not using a van battery for anything. That's a LED light with AA batteries with about 6 LEDs. A flashlight on the seat belt, a flashlight on that seat belt, another flashlight up front on the sun visor. But LED lights for lighting in my makeshift RV van. Don't use nothing off the fan battery. It's got to get me out of here. That was charged up. Got jumper cables if I need it. Frying some hot dogs. No Chucky River, Greene County, Tennessee. Please click like on the video and I'll be back with something else.